once you've got something that you like the look of, you can save it as a template. You do that, you can select the chart and you can right click on it and save as a template. And I'm going to overwrite one of my earlier ones. I'm going to call this chart 2 and save that. Do I want to replace it? Yes, I do. Okay, so I now have this as a template, but how do I apply it? Right, so I've got some new data come in now, maybe a different business or something. So more sales and profit numbers, and again, I'm going to highlight those. I'm going to push Alt F1 to get a quick chart up, which I'm just going to move over there and make a bit larger. And then how do I get this now looking similar to how I did the previous chart? So I'm going to select chart type, and this time you'll see that we go to templates. And chart 2 is the template that I wanted, and you simply just click OK. And there you go. Now, for some strange reason, you still need to type in the titles, but you can give this any title you want, give the axis a title, but predominantly it's looking good from the word go. Now, I did a previous chart as well, so on a template, so I could just show you another one. So this time, a full screen template. And here we go, there's chart type 1. Here's another potential template. So instant sort of chart looking exactly how you want. If you've got reports that you produce every week or every month, but you're given different data, then this is an excellent way of producing that incredibly quickly indeed.